Hello everyone, how you doing today? The one and only game I've played today that is even remotely worth showing. In the Kid. Yeah, every game I've played today, I've won 2, I've played about 10. 1, 2. And this is the only one that's worth even recording. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, help me out if you can. Anything you do for the channel would be greatly appreciated. I know everybody's struggling right now. I'm struggling, my coworkers are struggling at my jobs. It's a shit show. And we're talking about chat how games today have been so lopsided. Oh, I was talking to a video I did last night about my microphone setup. I was trying to fix up, and guy gave me some microphones. It's supposed to be decent enough. I had to buy cable and a few miscellaneous pieces of junk, and got an echo. I'm not using speakers. I'm on a headphone. Still got an echo. Adjust this, just that, move it around, upside down, echo. Can't get rid of it. Now, I'm in a fairly large room, so there might be that I need to put some sound tiles up or something. Bare walls, so I need to do something acoustically. Maybe that'll help. They're the MXL 990 and 991.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
And of course, I'm clueless. Not my thing.
Smoke generator started.
That kind of stuff. Never been into that very much. And this destroyer behind me has been almost useless the whole game. Ah! Stop shooting holes in my boat. That hurts.
Problem solved, sir.
Well, I got him to flinch. That's what I wanted, and I lived through it.
Smoke screen set.
That's what whole maneuver's all about. Get him to flinch and try to live through it. If I can get the primaries to flinch a little bit, you know, Nebraska, he really needs to die. Come on. Come on. Get him. And nope. No kill. No joy. They have a battleship hybrid, and we have a battleship hybrid. And I have seen no planes from markers on. Actually, they have 2 of them.
Attention. Reporting the target position.
They have that Kearsarge, whatever. I think it's a Soviet battleship aircraft carrier hybrid. Haven't seen ours do anything. And
torpedoes to starboard.
Whoa, torpedoes. That's not good. Takahashi.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Going to die. There's first blood by my
engine
team.
Boost deactivated.
Backing up like that is not going to help you. Just makes you a big, fat, slow, stupid target. You only back up like that if you have no other option. Oh, here we go. Hello. How are you? Hirokazi, what you doing? Oh, did I bust your boat for you?
Enemy destroyer.
Did you fall down and go boom? What is this Nebraska
All
doing?
stations, reporting the position of a strategic target. Affirmative.
He's trying to break the line or something? I'm still detected. I'm not getting... There, I'm getting fired at now. That's his secondaries. Come on. Come on. What is he doing? Hey, I got the kill.
Enemy battleship foundered.
It's a vulture, but I got the kill. Vulture is an old gaming term, or actually it's from based off World War I fighter pilots.
Problem solved, sir. All stations,
You
concentrate
picked
fire
off
on the
somebody
target.
else's kill for yourself. You're
Good
a
game,
vulture.
everyone.
I don't see it much used anymore. Some of the older gamers know it.
Acknowledged.
Well done, team. They're down 4, we're down 2. And our corsage is the one on the mini-map in the top left corner. B transitioning from 1 to 2. B to C.
Engine boost activated.
I've not seen him fly anything yet this game. And he has the capability. That's sad.
Attention. Reporting the target position.
Really, really sad. Because if you'd just spot, that would have been great.
Our team is taking the lead.
Find us a target of opportunity. You don't even have to shoot anything. But nope. That guy just
That's how it's done.
Our
York
victory
bought
is in
it.
sight.
Johnson bought it. Our Bismarck looks like she's in a little bit of trouble. It's a 4-on-1 there. Ooh la la. Captain Blackwolf? What a name. There's their Bismarck. Atlanta just got whacked by the Bismarck. Our Bismarck. Yeah. But our Bismarck got hit by their corsage. Now, I might be wrong about the corsage, whatever you want to call it. I believe it's a hybrid. Doesn't that thing have aircraft? Oh, it's attack aircraft. Yeah, that's right. My bad. We look at the score. They fixed the replay bug. Maybe. Yeah, they did. We're the only one getting points.
Engine boost deactivated. Concentrate
All right.
fire on the
Get
enemy
in
warship.
position. Algier is running, but I don't think he's thinking about what he's doing. He's just panic running. They got 4 ships left. Bismarck, aka Salt Miner, just
Thank you.
ate it. The one and only kill from the corsage. Now, do I not see a flight deck on that thing? I might be mistaken. And he just keeps going. He ain't helping nobody but himself.
Acknowledged.
Teammate, I need your support.
He don't give a shit about nobody. He's just heading someplace else. Tango, your clan should be ashamed. See now, there's the corsage. He has planes. Yes, they are attack aircraft, but he still has planes. I have not seen any of their corsage. None of my hits are gonna land. Gave him a little something to sweat over.
Engine boost activated.
Alright, I'm going to push up to that corner and cut him off. The Turpitz is about... Yep! Turpitz just deafened me. Oh, what? Can't hear the word you're saying. Algeria finally ate it. Turpitz got him with that blast. He
Smoke generator started.
And give a little emergency cover. Karak 7, yep, he's heading to the other side of the map. He don't care. Not much of a team player, I take. And yep, there it is. Nice kill. Only 2 kills for me. That's alright. That's still the best I've done today. And that's sad. My teams have been horrible. This guy right here, yeah, I'm not impressed. He did get 1 kill. More like a vulture. One of my kills was a vulture. And their team just got, what did he get? Devastating strike. Palio Emilio. Oh, I didn't know I was playing against one of those. That's a dangerous destroyer. He's got that smoke that travels with him at the speed of sound. He could charge you far and throw smoke, and you won't even see nothing but a smoke stream coming at you. Ah, very good. Turpitz got 2. Good job, guys. Good job. Devastating strike, close quarter, and first blood. Too bad it cost him his life. Ooh, my spotted damage was horrible. Horrible, I tell you. Anyway, that's the game for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.